Open Filmora Mobile and import your Halloween video. Now, add a horror music or horror background music. I picked this Dark Church AI music. Now go to Effect and overlay this effect from Halloween tab, a new effect, Halloween Vibe. Place the playhead where you want to put the effect, and after that you can go to Audio and Sound Effects and search for bats. Pick this audio clip or sound effect. Turn the volume up a bit. Adjust the effect and sound effect if necessary. And let's see the results.